How to fix Stalker 2 cost of hope, not launching, crashing, freezing, black screen, and startup crash. For this first step, restart your device. Once the restore complete, after move on with next step, open run and type the following text. Clean MGR, click OK. Select the drive. Once selecting, after you need to select DirectX shader cache. Click OK. Click delete files. Wait for some time. Successfully deleted, then move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click display, scroll down, click graphics. Under advanced graphics settings, you need to disable hardware acceleration GPU schedule. If it's enabled means you need to disable it. Make sure it's important settings. You need to disable the hardware acceleration GPU schedule. Then move on with next step. Search for device manager, click it, click display adapters and check the drives. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check the drive. Once checking, after you need to go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. This is the official website of Nvidia and this is the official website of AMD. Go to the official website, download and install the latest version. Depends on your device. That is first method. And the next method, right click, click update driver. So this is the second method. And the third method, if you having the application means go to the application, click latest update and download and install it. Okay, then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click advanced. Under performance, click settings, click advanced. Under virtual memory, you need to click changes. Enable automatic manage paging file size of all drives is that you need to enable it. Once enabling, after you need to click OK. Click apply and OK and click restart now. After restarting, move on with next step. Right click task manager, click startup apps. If you are not using startup means you need to disable the startup applications. If you are using more number of startup means there is error will occur, so you need to disable it. So make sure don't disable the inbuilt application. If you are not aware means no need to disable the inbuilt application. It's important settings. Then move on with next step. Click settings, system settings, display, graphics, scroll down. Need to search for Steam. The GPU preference, it should be depends on you. You can set power saving or high performance or let window decide, but optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. It's important settings. If you are not having means you can add the application. Go to C drive, program files, Steam folder, you get the application. Steam apps and common, you get the application. Click it and add it. Once adding, after you need to move on with next step. Open Steam, open it. Once opening, after you need to click the library option, click it and select the game. Right click, click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game file and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete, after you need to restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it. Click allow an app of users through a Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you need to enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application, you need to click allow another app. Go to browse. Go to C drive, program files. Click Steam folder. Search it and add it. So once adding, after you need to click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Click OK and restart your device. Thank you.